Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to recover damaged Excel file. First step, download Excel file recovery software from the website. Second step, install the software. Third step, run the Excel document recovery program. Fourth step, select the corrupt file. Fifth step, click Analyze button. Sixth step, the software will read and analyze the group Microsoft Excel file in few minutes. Once data recovered, you can see the table with recovered data from Excel book. Step number 7. Click Start Recovery.